Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making a lamb stir fry. It's quick, easy, and delicious. So let's get right into it.
You will need some lamb meat. Remember I made a lamb stew not so long ago? This is the meat that I got from the lamb leg. Honestly, a tender cut would do better in stir fry, such as chop and rump. But today, I want to show you how to take a tough cut to make a tender stir fry. You see how it has multiple muscle grooves? Each of them, the grain are running different directions. What we need to do is to separate the muscle groups and remove the silver skin. Some of the membrane, you can just rip it off. Some stubborn ones, you need to peel it off with a knife. When it's nice and clean, slice the meat against the grain thinly. It takes a little time, but it gives you a really good result. Marinating is very important in this recipe because this is a tough cut of meat and you need to give it more love to ensure it comes out tender. To that, we'll add 3/8 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of toasted and finely ground cumin, some black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, just a tiny bit to wrap the surface of the meat so it has a thin layer of shell to prevent the moisture to evaporate while cooking, 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Oil is also to help keeping the moisture of the meat. Mix them well. Oh, I almost forget the baking soda. This is important. It alkalizes the meat proteins and makes them hard to bound together, which keeps the meat tender when cooking. Let it sit for 20 minutes and we can prepare other ingredients. I got here half of a red bell pepper, half of a green bell pepper, 1 medium-sized onion that I sliced, and 10 cloves of garlic that I roughly chopped. Besides that, I also like to add some hot dry chilies. Just cut few open to release the flavor. You can definitely adjust the heat level to your own preference. Okay, let's get started cooking. Heat your wok to smoking hot. Add some oil along with the lamb slices. Spread it a little bit. Let it cook for 10 seconds. The thing about using a carbon steel wok is that you need to wait until it allows you to flip. Once the surface gets formed up a little bit, you can flip without any problem. If you flip too early, it will stick to the wok. Keep cooking it until the meat is done. Take it out. I like to tilt the wok a little bit. If there is any excess grease, it will be left in the wok. In the same wok, add a little more oil along with some dry hot chilies and all the vegetables we prepared before. Stir until the onion gets a bit soft. Add some salt and sugar. Keep cooking them for another minute. Introduce the lamb back to the wok. Mix everything. Before you serve, dump in a teaspoon of toasted cumin powder. It goes so good with the lamb meat. There you go. Enjoy this quick, delicious lamb stir fry. We usually just serve this with white rice or on top of some noodles. The meat is tender, very easy to chew. The flavor is like a mix of cumin and hot chilies, very garlicky as well. So delicious. I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment and let me know how it goes.
Thank you for watching until the end. I want to quickly talk about a new resource I have for you. I got lots of comments asking me about the ingredients and tools that I'm using. To make this easier for you, I created this Amazon storefront page. You can click into each category and see common ingredients you will need. Here, I wrote a little comment for each product so you can easily understand what recipe you can make with each ingredient. This page doesn't let me customize everything, so it's not perfect, but hopefully this helps you. Let me know any feedback you have on it in the comments. I'll put the page link in the description of all my videos so you can go check it out whenever you need. Thank you again, and I will see you next time.